next is retake guides. So this retake guides भनेको चाहिँ मेनली चाहिँ जो स्टुडेन्ट चाहिँ अलरेडी एकपटक एक्जाम दियो, कुनै एउटा एक्जाम दियो एन्ड देन फेल भयो भने चाहिँ हाउ डु यु टेक हाउ डु यु गो अबाउट योर रिभिजन, हाउ डु यु स्टार्ट रिभाइजिङ एन्ड हाउ डु यु प्रोसेस फर्दर भन्ने हिसाबले चाहिँ रिटेक गाइड्सहरु छ. यु हेभ रिटेक गाइड्स फर एभ्री सिंगल पेपर, and then it will give you a guidance on how to plan on retaking that paper, and then how to plan to prepare resources haru kahako cha भन्ने हिसाबले चाहिँ. So designed to help you understand where you went wrong. So पहिले चाहिँ के कुरामा रङ गरिएछ भन्ने एउटा गाइडेन्स पनि दिन्छ, and then अर्को गाइडेन्स चाहिँ के दिन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ how you should approach when you next time take your exam भनेर. So तीन basic theme मा जान्छ, and then it will talk about reflect, plan and question practice. पहिला reflect गर्ने, so what went wrong in your previous exam एउटा reflect गर्ने, and then you plan for your next exam. अब दिने नयाँ exam मा चाहिँ you plan, and then you do questions practice. So there's a student study plan checklist, एउटा study plan जस्तो calendar जस्तो पनि दिएको छ, and then there's link to resources as well. I'll show you an example of retake guide.
Okay, so
there's a retake guide here. Is it on
now? Not yet, sir.
You see here. Retake guide. This is a retake guide. So this is a retake guide for financial accounting. Financial accounting, it talks about plan, prepare and pass. So plan garni, prepare garni, and then pass your exams. So if you have so it takes the plan, prepare and pass, and then three theme reflect garni what went wrong on your last exam, and then you plan for your next exam. And then you do your question practice. So I'll show you what's in there. So it will talk about what went wrong on your last exam. So what kind of you can click in, and then okay, I'll show you on the next slides. And then so if it is a marginal fail, or marginal fail is between 45 to 49%, are you marginal fail, or did you fail with a very low marks, or so did you struggle with answers, did you run out of time? So it will ask you what happened on your last exam, and then it gives you guidance on how to plan. So have you identified where you went wrong last time? So if I click in, and then I can click in now. So I'll tick okay, I have lack of knowledge, and then it will give you guidance on what to do now. Or if it was because of the poor exam taking, so mathiko information use गरेर what I identified is म पहिले fail भएको चाहिँ किन, or I didn't pass the exam because of this reason भनेर चाहिँ माथि identify गरे. And त्यो identify गरेपछि it might be because of lack of knowledge भनेको एउटा म knowledge छैन, or it's because of the poor exam technique. So you or both. So you tick one of those, and then it will give you guidance on what to do next. So click गर्दै जानुपर्छ. So it will give you guidance. So I won't go through that. So it will give you study plan checklist के गर्ने भन्ने हिसाबले चाहिँ there's a study plan checklist. So there's a study plan you can generate for yourself. So it will generate if you keep entering, and then give your preferred time. Evening मा पढ्न सक्छौ, or daytime मा पढ्न सकिन्छ, revision गर्न सकिन्छ, and then it will give you the guidance as well. So then त्यसपछि question practice मा आउँछ. There's a lot of content to it. And then last मा गएर चाहिँ final tip चाहिँ there is a checklist on if you have done enough to retake the exam. अब चाहिँ अर्को exam दिनको लागि चाहिँ ready छु भन्ने हिसाबले चाहिँ yes भनेर देखाउँछ. अर्को good thing about this retake guide is भनेको अब मैले certain यो जुन financial accounting F3 को लागि हेर्यो भने चाहिँ these are the resources I've got. हो सबै resources त छैन यहाँ, तर these are the resources I've got. अनि have I covered them भनेर पनि यो गर्न सकिन्छ. If you click to the link here, then it will redirect you to the resources itself. So retake guide को अर्को advantage चाहिँ you've got compilation of resources here as well.